On this episode of Uinta Garage, we play rescue.
All right, guys, here's a lesson for you. Don't go wheeling it in the dark by yourself. I managed to slide off the road here. Not too bad, but there's nothing I can do to get out of here. Unfortunately, I need to winch back, and I only have a winch on the front. So, managed to walk up the road a little bit, get service, and I got Joey and Ryan on their way to come bail me out, but in the meantime, yeah, we're stuck here probably for the next couple of hours while we wait for them to round up their trucks and come to our rescue.
We've got a late Saturday night trip heading out into the mountains to rescue Josh. It looks like he's skidded off the road, out wheeling by himself in the middle of a snowstorm. Kind of fun. We've picked up, or met up with Joey. He's got PB back from the shop behind us here, and we've grabbed our friend Trevor. He's riding shotgun right now, and let's go see if we can save him.
Joey and Ryan headed out as soon as they could, but we were well over an hour away in the best of conditions. These were not the best of conditions. Okay, we've been stuck up here for a couple of hours now. I don't know if you can see over in the distance there. Maybe not. That's where the Blazer is. I walked down the road here a ways to see if I could get cell service, check on things, and starting to get spooky out here, guys. Better get back to the truck. What the guys didn't know yet was that they were driving straight into a blizzard. Okay, there's the Blazer over there again. I'm out here walking again because we just got word from the a sheriff's deputy that there's a couple of side-by-sides on their way up here to try and get us. They don't want to try and pull us out tonight. I'm not sure why. I guess they're worried about the conditions, but honestly, I don't think it's going to be a big deal if we can get somebody up here. So I'm going to go down here, see if I can meet them, and then hopefully I can get a hold of Ryan and Joey and get those guys up here. I think their trucks will be all right. We'll see.
Alright, so we made it out to the trailhead, and we got stopped by search and rescue from the Tooele County Sheriff's Department. They've actually gone up and sent a side-by-side up to see where Josh is at. We're gonna wait and see what we should do.
We're gonna give them the opportunity to try before we take our more equipped vehicles out to try. I don't think a side-by-side is gonna have the weight to pull a full-size Jimmy out of the snow. So we'll give them a shot, see what happens, and probably hop on our trucks and give it a shot, see what happens.
Their right is? Okay. They're just getting the people, right? Oh, sorry. So the car is still stuck.
Well, the guys talked to the sheriff's deputy at the head of the trail. A couple of side-by-sides with search and rescue came up the trail to get me and the family off the mountain. They refused to even try and get BYT. Once we were off the mountain, I conferred with the sheriff's deputy about the conditions. Search and Rescue were adamant that we not go back up for Plan B, but they had no idea just how capable Plan B and the Jimmy really were. In my opinion, things looked a lot worse than they actually were, and I had no doubt that Plan B and the Jimmy were more than capable of rescuing BYT.
It's really coming down out there, but PB is actually doing some kick-ass work here. Luckily, the snow's not very deep, and we should be pulling up to BYT very soon. Panoramic. Josh had his whole family with him, and they were pretty cold and stressed out about the whole experience. So we left Josh and fam at the trailhead with the Jimmy to warm up in. So you got about a foot of snow. I'm gonna send Joey up the upper road here. And we're gonna
Try a 1.5 to 2 feet.
yeah, about 18 inches. 40s are doing it though. And let's see. Yeah, BYT's in a little bit of a predicament here. He's off the side of the road just a little bit. So we're gonna try and get her straightened out and then backed up out of here. Definitely not ideal situation. We'll see how this goes.
Whoa, PB's moving.
You got room. Get a little bit more. Flashlight?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's budging. Keep it going. So long as PB's okay, keep it going.
Can you throttle up on PB?
Whoa, PB just moved a lot. I think I'm still okay though.
We're almost there.
Hey, I kind of need somebody to throttle up PB.
Go ahead, Ryan.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Hang on. How's that?
Because
That's awesome.
your tire on the right is like right on the slope. It's right on the...
Any more? Are we good?
Give it one more foot if you can.
Yeah, just a little bit more. Give it a little bit of slack, Joey.
Yeah, see, it's going back down. Pull it
Okay,
back.
stop there.
Stop, yeah.
What do you want me to do?
Hang tight. Go back.
think the hardest part's done. All right, let's see. Over here on the right, we're square and center, back on the trail. Ugh.
You didn't know that my front end moved a lot.
I bet.
But you're pretty planted in the edge there, though.
That far from the edge now.
Yeah, but you're, if you could see it, you dug in, though.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, as you can see, that was a pretty scary situation. Got down to about there. Whew. This is good. We're getting back out. Should be back on the road here in a little bit. Sometimes adventures can be dangerous. That's why you never wheel alone. Right, Josh? Okay. Good?
Yep.
Oh, well, that was fun. We got the BYT back on the road. We're gonna flip around, head back down the canyon.
As we neared the bottom of the mountain, we realized that the driver's side rear tire had come off the bead. Luckily, we were able to limp it the rest of the way to the trailhead.
All right, guys, we got back. We're at Flying J now. We were able to get the laser BYT off the mountain, thank God. But in the process of winching, we managed to debead one of the tires. So unfortunately, we had to leave it down at the trailhead, but we'll be able to go back up there during the day and get it tomorrow. It's quite the blizzard. I picked a hell of a day to get stuck. Don't go wheeling by yourself, guys. It's a bad idea. Whoops.
And while we wait, we're enjoying company in the warm Jimmy and having some tea. Earl Grey, hot. Of course, of course.